Yes, Mr. Sharma.
I am praying for a motion tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow, what is the urgency?
The urgency that regarding the selection of an assistant officer, my lord, and it is rejected on some, my lord, different the ground, my lord. So maybe trace advertisement may be made, my lord. So, my lord,
You can have it on Monday.
tomorrow, my lord, if time permit, my lord. I'm
You was a meeting early at 1.
my lord. If time permit, my lord.
All right.
My lord, I am paying for a motion, my lord, Monday, my lord.
What is the urgency?
Urgency is that, my lord, petitioner, my lord, one, my lord, disciplinary action was taken, my lord, without following due process of law.
Oh, that will come in due course.
Last week, my lord, filed, my lord.
Maybe. Just see what is the position next week.
Otherwise, also, my lord, this, my lord, the matter otherwise may come on Monday, my lord, just to ensure, my lord, I am paying mention, my lord. Monday, my lord, kindly, my lord. Last week, my lord, was filed, my lord. Long back, my lord.
So then don't mention that if matter is going to come up like that.
Monday, my lord, kindly.
See, we're adjusting the matters as per the requirement, you see, because putting too many cases, ultimately the admission matters get neglected, the order matters get neglected. Maybe sometimes there's part hard matter that gets neglected.
Last
So that's why, unless there's utmost urgency, you please go by that. You'll have it on 13th, Friday. Okay? Fixed. 13th. Yes. Yes, what do you want? Why do you want Passover? Okay, and the prayer made on behalf of Mrs. K. Devi. Matter stands Passover for the day. All right.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
I'm praying for listing on a 2 WPC matter, Your Lordship, in motion column. Both
Motion.
reports are related to non-payment of salary.
When did you file?
Sir, first matter was last listed on 8/8/25 and it was filing on 23/7/2025. And second matter was listed on 24/10/25 and it was filing on 27/8/25.
Motion matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Motion admission.
Motion column.
When it was last listed, what happened? No order was passed.
As per last court order, both the matters are directed to be listed again after 2 weeks, but since they are not listed. I
Friday.
will list the matter next week.
Next week, Friday, okay? 13. Give the date, 30.
Release item 1 for motion.
There was a order to bring some instruction regarding the payment, how it will be made to the petitioner regarding his area 7.
What is the matter?
Regarding the area salary of the petitioner, my lord.
Area salary.
Yes, from 98 to my lord.
This is my latest instruction, Lordship.
You tell me what is the instruction. Don't ask me to read it.
Lordship, already, Lordship, it has gone for the approval from the government of Assam. Has accorded sanction also, Lordship, of that 2,27,084 rupees, Lordship.
When was it sanctioned?
My lord, it is regarding only the principal amount.
I'm asking him. Just a minute. When was it sanctioned?
Lordship, it was on 21/2/2026, Lordship.
21/2/26.
Yes, Lordship.
Sanctioned by whom? Finance?
No, that was sent.
No, Lordship, necessary proposal for sanction was sent to the finance department.
Oh, this is only a proposal.
Yes, Lordship.
Then I asked you, when was it sanctioned? You give me the date of proposal. What is this?
Lordship,
That means it is not sanctioned.
Lordship, it has to be sanctioned by the finance department.
That we know.
So, Lordship,
So is it sanctioned or not?
Lordship, that instruction I do not have. This is
Then what letter are you giving me to read?
Lordship, this
Don't
is
hand over letter like that, just like that. You read, you pass your order.
Lordship, this is for that the proposal has been sent by the government of Assam in the higher education department, Lordship.
Proposal has been sent by whom? To whom?
To the finance department, Lordship.
By?
By Lordship. This is Lordship.
Technically,
21/2/2026, Lordship.
Oh, Mr. Upamanya, you can't hear me properly.
Yes, Lordship. By whom?
I'm asking you, I'm not asking you the date.
Under Secretary.
Who has sent the proposal?
Under Secretary to the government of Assam.
To whom?
To the Principal Accountant General, Lordship.
US has sent to the Principal Accountant General
Yes, Lordship.
for sanction.
Yes, Lordship.
Accountant General will sanction.
No, Lordship.
Then?
I have just received this, Lordship, that's why.
You go through it, we'll call it after some time.
Yes, sir.
You tell
I
me.
guess, yes, sir.
2, 3 and 4.
My lord, this, in this matter, my lord. Okay, my lord, this matter, my lord, regarding my lord, the only practitioners whose service were not regularized at the time of my lord, this provincial of the school because of certain reasons. And after that, my lord, they have sent this, my lord, these things was a independent committee that was inquired and everything was found, my lord, as per the provision, my lord, we are entitled for regularization. By this time, my lord, they have sent for some independent committee to again verify. So on that issue, my lord, we challenge these things. And by this time, my lord, another 2 repetition that has been, my lord, the last will go by the last order that is on 31/2026. That is passed on 19/2/2026, my lord. It is passed in, my lord, date 301 of my repetition, whereby, my lord, on the prayer of the, my lord, the AG, that the 1-2 repetition that is in 6770 of 25 and the 6997 of 2025, that has been heard and reserved for judgment. So court says that let the matter be come for final, my lord, order, then they will be decided, and there is an order in para number 5 of this same order that there is a further hearing that has been fixed. So I made, my lord, this already the honorable, my lord, the Justice has heard the matter in length, my lord. AG also heard on that issue. So, my lord, I will be paid, my lord, this will be convenient for the all side. If this matter is going to his further hearing for that court, my lord. Because the already observation is here.
Okay, please write. Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that this matter has been heard at length by Honorable Justice U.K. Nath, and submits that it would be convenient if the matter can be placed before the same bench. Your good name?
NM Sharma, Lordship.
Ms. N.M. Sharma, learned family counsel,
The secondary education.
secondary education, agrees to the submission. Next para, in view of above, registry to list the matter before the appropriate bench. Yes, same order.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, it is relating to, my lord, the petitioner's son. My lord, he was very much unfortunate, but he was kept with his mother. That is response number 5. And my lord,
How?
my lord.
What are you saying? He was killed with his mother.
Now that was my mother. My son was kept with mother because there is a dispute between the parents and my father and the mother. So in that aspect, my lord, he was studying in class 9 in Don Bosco School, Tesco. So by this time, my lord, some very, my lord, heinous, my lord, atrocities was inflicted on the petitioner's son. That is why, my lord,
By
by my lord, the mother as well as the other maternal, my lord, parents of the his wife. So that reason, my lord, the petitioner's son was put in a, my lord, under care of some lady. So whenever the petitioner was informed, then he rushed to this place, then son has come with him. So after that, what happened, my lord? We have lodged a complaint before the police station of Tezpur regarding the all details, explaining the all things. Now the situation is this: the petitioner's son is going to appear this, my lord, the final exam, board exam from 8 to 10. That will be scheduled to be held on 7/3. That is to continue to 13/3. So in that aspect, the petitioners might already approached before the CWC. This is a Child Welfare Committee that is being constituted under the Juvenile Justice Act. So Child Welfare Committee also has taken some initiative. So my FR, that is, I have my annex at page, annexer 1 at page 16. That was before the officer in charge of the police station, which was GD entry was there. So after that, Lordship will see my son's photographs, how he was tortured, my lord.
tortured by whom?
Tortured by mother as well as, my lord, his maternal uncles. So it's specifically mentioned in the
He
FIR.
was staying with them.
So after
Now he's staying with you.
now he come to with me. He is not willing to go with his mother.
Okay.
So now he is going to appear in the exam in the that will be scheduled from 7th of this month, my lord. So in that aspect, my lord, we have proposed to the CWC. That is, Lordship will come at page number 20 of annexer 3. That the CWC has taken the care of these things and they have proceeded with the matter. And now, my lord, they have passed the second.
Page.
That is page 20. So after that, my lord, what happened? The CWC as final order has been passed, and I have, my lord, filed this final order that has been by our affidavit
No, let us first understand what is page number 20, annexure 3.
Yes, my lord.
Both child and father express their willingness to live together at paternal residence. The child does not want to live with his mother anymore. The father assured the committee that he will take full responsibility of the child's upbringing, including academic and overall holistic development. By analyzing the above-mentioned circumstances, CWC suggested social worker, outreach worker, counselor, and the DCPU Kamrup to do the welfare check and also social nuisance submit SR within 10 days. This was on 18/2/2026.
Yes, my lord. After that, my lord.
The report has been submitted.
Yes, it is submitted, my lord. After that, my lord, I have submitted this file, I additional affidavit that is on 2. But then that is been with this section. They say that unless my lord the requisition is come, my lord, they will not send. So this is the matter. I have copy here. That's it.
What is that?
This is fine. This is final order pass.
Final order.
Yes.
Why didn't you annex it in the writ petition?
It is a file. After filing of this case, my lord, this has come.
So the order says that the child will stay with you.
Yes, my lord.
So
Now-
what is wrong now? Why
No,
have
my
you
lord,
come
no,
this
I
way?
am not challenging, my lord. I am, my lord, appreciating this thing, but only one thing, my lord. That already, my lord, the CWC Gauhati has instructed CWC Sunitpur, Tezpur to take, my lord, all initiatives so that son can appear in the examination. Now, my lord, my apprehension is this, my lord. Unless, my lord, the specific, my lord, instruction to the superintendent of police is given to give a full support and full protection to the, my lord, the son in compliance with that order, my lord, there might be some lapse, and in that lapse, my lord, my son may not be able to appear examination. So I want a very limited prayer.
What is your prayer? Let us go to your prayer portion.
Yes, my lord.
Where do you stay?
My lord, in my this petition, my lord, Gauhati.
You have to go to
If I have to
Tezpur.
go, I'll be, but today, my lord, itself, I'll go to Tezpur.
You have to go to Tezpur. You stay back there or what?
I will be arrange my son for some accommodation there so that he can appear the examination. After that, again, he'll come.
You'll come back. You leave your son behind there.
Yes,
Under whose care?
my lord.
Under whose care?
No, under some PG, my lord, I have arranged, my lord. I will put them in the PG. And if required, I will be staying for this period also, that from 7 to 30.
You better stay to ensure everything.
Only that limited, my lord, so that, my lord, I may not be any some disturbance may be occurred. Because every possibility they can come and apply force and try to grab my son.
Where are they? Where are they located?
They are, my lord, in Tezpur.
They're in
Very
Tezpur.
influential person, my lord. They are very reputed family. So every possibility that, in spite of that, my lord, whenever it is CWC there, the police, my lord, repeatedly call me to bring this on there. So I also refuse. So that is the apprehension that every I have specifically mentioned in para
Okay,
also.
what is this relationship between you and the respondent now?
I know.
You have divorced.
Divorce is still pending. But
It's pending. Who has filed for divorce?
Yeah, there, my lord, I am earlier there was a domestic violence case was there. Now, my lord, the parents is going to file the divorce.
Who will file a divorce?
And the petitioner is going to file the divorce petition.
You are separated since when?
Since, my lord, more than 16 years.
16 years. And the son was living till when?
My lord, after birth, my lord, I went there to bring my son and my lord wife. When at that moment, my lord, I was involved wrongfully, my lord, implicated in a case. For that, I was 3 months in the jail. Somehow I came out, and after that, my lord, they no proper relation with my wife. But somehow I was taking care of my son. Even when I went there, they not taking any, my lord, allow me to meet my son. So at that distance, I had to be, my lord, alone in Gauhati. Now this son is after his aging, although he is not measured by a birth, but he is sufficiently able to understand what is good, what is bad. So, my lord, the mother's, my lord, the environment is totally bad. She is a drunken lady, always, my lord, used to drunk and misbehave with my son and the other parents also and family member.
Okay, just answer the question. When did the son come to you? Since when?
It is, my lord, on my lord. I have specifically not mentioned, but I have, my lord, that is prior to, my lord, 21 to 2020. Probably, my lord, 15 days before of this, my lord, lodging the effort. Before filing the AJR, my lord. Earlier, he was staying in the PG and he was continuing attending the classes. On 11th, my lord, I have lodged the affair. Just before that, I have mentioned in the affair also. The GD entry is there. GD entry, give me a second.
So your limited prayers for that
Yes.
examination.
Only, my lord. For this now, my lord. I don't want anything more.
Now, who are the parties here?
There, my lord, all the superintendent of police, then, my lord, Tezpur police station.
Anyone appearing for the respondents today? Mr. Burman, Ms. Burman? Have you received a copy of this writ petition? Principal Secretary, Department of Women and Child, then Child Welfare Committee. You can appear for whom? 1, 3 and 1, 3, 4. 1, 3 and 4. What do you say about this prayer made? Briefly,
Yes, sir.
mother and father are separated. They have a son who is now 16 years. And the son has been living with the mother since 2011. Of late, he has been tortured and he has come over to the father's. And matter was taken before the CWC. CWC said that let there be an investigation. And now CWC has come to a conclusion that he should remain with the father. And the exams are coming from 7th of March to 13th of March. Examination is happening in Tezpur. They want some protection.
Protection from police.
By police so that he can appear exams without any problem. So they want a direction to the SP at
Tezpur.
Tezpur. So we'll give them some interim protection considering the situation and in particularly considering the CWC's report and order.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. On the basis of that report, Lordship.
Yes, heard Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has sought for some protection from the Superintendent of Police, Tezpur, and the officer in charge of Tezpur Police Station, Sadar, to enable his son, that is petition number 2, aged 16 years, to appear for the, what examination is this?
My lord, this is board exam from 9 to 10.
Okay, to appear in the board examination,
Program is given, my lord.
board examination,
Annex 4 at page 21.
conducted from class 9 to 10,
That's fine.
which is scheduled to happen on 7th March to 13 March at Tezpur. Next para. On account of certain marital dispute, the petitioner and his wife has been living separately. Since the year 2011,
Yes, ma'am.
and the petition number 2 was living with the mother, that is respondent number 5. Until lately, when according to the petition number 1, the petition number 2 was subjected to torture. by his mother and other maternal relatives. Stop. It is for that reason that the petitioner, number one, submitted an FIR on
On 11/2.
11/2/2026 before
Before the my lord OC, my lord Tezpur Police Station,
officer in charge, Tezpur Police Station.
Annexure 1.
Stop. Pursuant to that, the matter was referred to the Child Welfare Committee, Kamrup Metro, wherein the petitioners appeared before the committee. Stop. The committee, after taking stock of the situation and after recording the statements, directed the social worker, outreach worker and counselor of DCPU Kamrup Metro to do a welfare check and also social investigation and to submit the, what is SIR?
SIR, my lord.
Survey,
Sign-
survey investigation report or something like
Yes,
that. To submit a report before the CWC within 10 days, right order dated 18/2/2026, bracket annexure 3. Be it stated herein that the petitioner, number one, had assured the committee that he will take full responsibility of the child's upbringing, including his academic needs and overall holistic development. Stop. Pursuant to the order dated 18/2/2026, a report was submitted by the appointed persons in the form of social investigation report. Stop. The Child Welfare Committee thereafter reviewed the case on 25/2/2026 and came to the conclusion that the child is physically and psychological safe and secure while residing with his father. And therefore, considering the best interest of the child, the committee decided that the child shall continue to reside with his father. So it was further observed that as the child was going to appear for the board exams from 7/3/2026, the petition number one has been directed to provide all necessary assistance and support to enable a child appear for the examination. The committee also suggested to the Child Welfare Committee Sonitpur to extend all necessary support and cooperation to ensure that the child is able to appear in examination commencing from 7/3/2026 without any hindrance. Full stop. The said decision has been taken by order dated 25/2/2026 by the Child Welfare Committee, Kamrup Metro. Stop. A copy of the same has been annexed as Annexure 5 to the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner on 2/3/2026. Next, para Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petitioners, submits that although such was the direction by the Child Welfare Committee, but the petitioners But the petition number 1 apprehends that since the examinations to be conducted in Tejpur, where the mother of the petition number 2 resides, they may cause some problems to the child and which would greatly affect his appearance and performance in the board examination. To stop, he submits that, therefore, he prays for adequate protection to the petitioner number 2, so that he can peacefully appear in the forthcoming examination scheduled from 7th March to 13th March without any hindrance. Next para. Considering the above projection and taking into account the orders passed by the Child Welfare Committee, Kamrup Metro, on 18/2/2026 and on 25/2/2026, the Superintendent of Police, Tezpur, and the officer in charge of Tezpur Police Station are directed to ensure that the petitioner number 2 is given due protection so that he can appear right like this, due protection to facilitate the petitioner number 2 to appear in the forthcoming board examination scheduled to be held from 7th of March to 13th of March. Which place? At Tezpur?
Tezpur Don Bosco School, my lord.
Don Bosco School. Anything else to be added?
My lord, only nothing.
Hmm.
Only that much.
Should we issue notice? What is to be done?
My lord, yes.
Next para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. D.D. Burman, learned senior government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers
1, 2, 3, and
1, 2 also. Child Welfare Committee,
2 is the committee.
committee, chairperson and all that. Can you appear?
The welfare committee, Lord, the notice should go, Lord. By
Appears for respondent numbers 1, 3, and 4.
yes,
Petitioners to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to Ms. D.D. Burman within 2 days. So petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon the remaining respondents by speed post within 3 working days. List the matter again after 4 weeks.
Master.
We'll have to modify this thing a bit. That notice will go first. Then after that, you add having regard to the above projection and all that, that will come below. Okay.
My lord, may I pay, my lord, the order? Maybe, my lord, I can, with a very early, so that, my lord, I can go today, my lord, to.
Okay. A copy of the order be furnished to the learned counsel for the petitioner during the course of the day. Registry shall also verify and connect the additional affidavit said to have been filed by the petitioner on 2/3/2026 to the record.
Master.
Kindly once.
Lordship, just now I have received another instruction, Lordship. The new Gauhati Treasury has already, Lordship, passed the bill, Lordship. And to telephonic instruction is that, Lordship, this amount has been credited, Lordship, by the Treasury. The area share.
When?
Recently, Lordship.
Huh?
Recently, Lordship, because.
Which treasury? Which treasury?
New Gauhati Treasury, Lordship, on 28th February.
28th February.
Yes, Lordship. It was
Uh,
passed on 28th of February by the new Gauhati Treasury. And the bills were also been submitted, Lordship. And I have received instruction that that has been credited, Lordship. But particular date, Lordship, that is not known to me. The petitioner can have the instruction, Lordship.
Okay, you are saying that on 28th of February 2026,
Yes,
the amount has been credited to the account of the petitioner by the new Gauhati Treasury,
yes, Lordship. It was passed by the new Gauhati Treasury, yes.
passed.
Yes. So thereafter bills were submitted, so Lordship, by second or third, it might have been Lordship credited. But the exact date has
It
not
has to
been.
be credited to the account.
Yes.
You take instructions then. I'll record that.
Take it.
Mr. D. Upamanya, Learned Standing Counsel,
Higher education.
Higher Education submits that the amount due to the petitioner, that is rupees
2,27,084.
227,084, has been passed by the new Gauhati Treasury on 28/2/2026. And according to him, the amount may have been credited to the account of the petitioner by now. From whom have you received the instruction?
Lordship, this was received, this is a communication from the principal to the Director of Technical Education of 2/3/2026. This is the latest instruction. Lordship. And the first instruction which I have submitted was the sanction and order was there, Lordship.
Next para, Mr. D. Upamanya, Learned Counsel submits that the above instruction has been received by him
From the Director of Technical Education.
from the Director of Technical Education, Assam. So Mr. P. Manta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be given some time to verify as to whether the amount has been credited to the petitioner's account or not. In view of above, list again, when?
Must.
Apply, sir.
Model note steps, item numbers 53 and 54 of the supplementary list.
Yes, it will matter more faster for the time being, Lordship.
Hmm.
For the
You
time, being,
don't
my
take
seniors
steps when
come,
you want
Lordship.
time being. What will senior say? Other, I will take steps, that much.
Well, Lordship, actually my senior has to make some submission. As your Lordship can remember, Lordship, this is a long hearing was there. And the step has been taken, Lordship, on second Lordship. By mistake, it was left to be taken. The extra copies has been served to the Standing Council Education and the Government.
Just a minute, okay? Let me read the, have you read the office note?
Office, no, Lordship.
Then you should read that.
On
Yes.
second, it was taken. So the list was prepared on 27 Lordship. The cause list was published on 27. So on that day, obviously, there will be no order to that effect, Lordship. And by mistake, it was not taken. And on second, it has been taken, and postal step has been taken today, Lordship, for speed post, Lordship.
Office, please write, office note dated 2/3/2026 indicates that petitioner has not taken steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7 by speed post, as
Has been
was
taken.
directed by this court, white order dated 25/2/2026. Yes, when will you take?
No, Lordship, already taken, Lordship. Already
When
taken
did you
it.
take the steps?
Today, it has been taken, Lordship.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
Jad Hussain.
Z. Hussain submits that the steps have been taken today itself. Considering the sign, let the matter be listed again after 2 weeks.
So, Lordship, Lordship, there is some urgency, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship. Kindly accommodate, Lordship. This is a transfer matter, Lordship. As your Lordship can remember, Lordship. So that is why I was making the submission that the matter may be taken after some time. There was long hearing on the earlier occasion, Lordship.
No, unless you take steps on respondent
No,
number 7, no amount of hearing will help you.
Lordship, herein the order has been challenged, Lordship. The Deputy Commissioner cannot pass the order, Lordship. That is ultra virus, Lordship. There is no power conferred upon him, Lordship. So we have challenged the initial order and the other orders, Lordship, passed by the Deputy Commissioner transferring the teachers of primary school, Lordship. He has no power. So this is admitted fact that someone has already taken charge in my place. And the respondent number 6 will say this much only, Lordship. They had mistakes. And as regards the other matter, Lordship, the other part, that the deputy commissioner has no power, Lordship. So, on the basis of some illegal order, Lordship, he has assumed charges, Lordship. If the order goes, the entire exercise.
So why don't you serve notice by way of Dasti then? If you have urgency, so much of urgency.
Lordship, actually speed post may do, Lordship. And Dusty fell out, then can be taken, Lordship. Dusty was not on that day, Lordship. Speed
That
post
is what
was
I'm-
there, Lordship.
Speed post was there. You have not
Yes,
done the
Lordship.
speed post. Today only you have taken speed
Yes,
post.
Lordship. I have been, I have taken it to the Lordship.
So it will take time, isn't it? You take steps by speed post today and tomorrow you can have the case like that. Is it
No,
possible?
Lordship, no, Lordship.
Then?
Tomorrow, Lordship.
Then,
Some short, Lordship. On the next week, Lordship.
no, next week, the record, the notice may not be complete.
Then Dusty may be allowed also. Today I shall take the Dusty also, Lordship.
Okay, additionally, please write, petitioner is allowed to serve notice to respondent number 7 by Dasti through the registry of this court within 1 week. Petitioner shall thereafter file an affidavit as proof of service. Don't, you cancel that 2 weeks, okay? List again, you give a shorter date.
Earlier, Lordship, today I shall take the Dusty step, Lordship, today itself.
That's up to you. I've given you 1 week. Yes.
Order stay vacating, item number 637.
May it please your lordship.
53 and
Lordship,
54 is
they have-
together.
My lord, they have filed an IA, that is 6/20 of 2026, the government.
Oh.
However, we have not received any copy. In fact, I have checked the office file. There is no notice of service.
Mr. Khattan here?
I have also checked, copy was given to SSA and in fact, he told me.
Where is the acknowledgement?
Acknowledgement is.
Available?
Not there.
I'll start a copy today, machine.
Received
Met-
copy A. Thakur for P. Nayak on 23/2/26. Who is A. Thakur? And P. Nayak is for SSA.
SSA.
Apart from SSA, there are others also.
Yes, madam.
Give them copies.
Yes, today I'll start.
Lordship, there is another order, Lordship. I have also filed similar, Lordship.
My lord,
Stay
there-
vacation.
My lord,
That has been fixed
My lord,
on 10.
there is 2 stay vacating file, one by the private respondent and one by the state. The one that's been filed with the state, I haven't received the copy. And one, my lord, IA 193 of 2026, that is fixed on 10th of March,
193 of?
2026.
Okay.
So, my lord,
Fixed on 10.
in the writ petition, the pleading has been completed, my lord.
So let it come on 10th of March
Lordship.
accordingly.
Lordship.
And if the parties so agree that we can take up the matter for
Yes,
disposal.
Yes, my lord.
I heard Mr. J. Khattan here. And J. Khattan here. Learned Standing Council.
My lord, my lord, can both the IA come on 12th? That is, I may give 1 week time to file both the replies.
That's fixable.
It's already fixed. How can I transfer that case to 12th? Which is not even listed today.
No, it's listed. IA 620 is listed, my lord.
No, 193 is not listed.
Listed, my lord.
Listed.
Listed
193.
also.
Listed, Lordship.
So, my lord, at least give me a week time or something, man. Because today is already 5th and I haven't received the copy.
Where's the 193? Item number?
They are,
Oh, down there. Okay.
Only one reply is sufficient.
And J. Khatania, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department, who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks vacation of the interim order passed by this court on 27/6/2025 in WPC number 3685 of 2025. Stop the learned councils appearing for the opposite party, except for the SSA, submit that they have not received a copy of the IA. Considering the same? No, copy the IA, full stop. Consider the same, have that. Further, it is also submitted that a similar IA is also pending consideration of this court. That is IA
193.
C number 193 of 2026. which has been scheduled to be listed on 10th of March 2026. Stop. A submission has been advanced to the effect that both the IAs may be taken up on 12th of March 2026. And in the meantime, objections will be filed by the respondents. Do you agree?
Yes.
In view of above, Mr. N.J. Khatane to furnish copies of the IA to the respondents concerned within the course of the day. The respondents would be at liberty to file their objection to the IA, if so advised. Please, these matters again on 12th of March.
10
10 or 12th?
It's fixed on 10. I'm just asking for a 1-day commission, 12th Thursday.
Otherwise, I have no difficulty.
Because the petitioners, they decide outside, so signing and everything, and
Then 16, then Lordship 16, because this amount senior. 16, Lordship, if 10 possible, especially this is senior, because this amount and.
then my lord may take it on 16, it's a Monday. It's not much, but not much difference.
16.
You all of you agree to a date. We'll
16,
fix it.
16.
Okay. In view of above, and as agreed to by all the parties, list again on 16th.
My lord, the interim order.
16 March, huh? Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
For order, item 47.
So this takes care of all the matters. What about 46? What about 46? What happened? Who's the counsel for the petitioner? Bhardwaj. None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. List again after 2 weeks. You are there? What is your submission?
The instruction is on the way, Lordship. Maybe next week or any other day, I'll place that. Lordship.
Okay, make it after 1 week then. List again after 1 week.
My name may be reflected. A.R. Todinga.
As Mr. Continue. List after 1 week as Mr. A.R. Tahibaldar, learned counsel appearing for
Education Department.
Higher Education Department, not department, this is a contempt.
Contact. For the director, Lordship.
Appearing, which responded? Appearing for respondent number so and so, submits that instructions is on the way.
Lordship, my senior is at legs in another court. Kindly take up the matter to sometime, Lordship.
Next week, I'll get the instruction. Next week, any day.
Okay, cancel the order. Mr.
A.R. Correspondent.
A.R. Tahibaldar, appearing for respondent number 5, submits that he is awaiting some instructions from the respondent number 5 and prays that the matter will be listed again after a week. We have above list again on
18.
okay, 18 March. Right.
18 or not, after 22, 23 or.
You only won 1 week. You're going so far away.
Or next week, Lordship.
Next week, give it next week.
30.
30.
13. List again on 13.
That's.
48.
You are there?
Yes, fine.
None appears for the petitioner. Huh?
I am for the respondent number 39.
3.
Yes.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Mr. U. Sharma. Learned Counsel appears for respondent number 3 and R.M. Barua. Learned Counsel appears for respondent number 2. List again after a week.
49.
Lordship, district was taken, lordship.
Affidavit filed? Counter affidavit has been filed?
No, lordship.
Then what about the service?
Thanks, lordship. District was taken, lordship.
Okay, office note dated 27/2/2026 indicates that note AD card has returned back from respondent number 8. Mr. Accordingly, notice is accepted to be complete on respondent number 8. So the office note further indicates that neither AD card nor unserved notice has returned back from respondent number 4. Stop registration, therefore. Let us see the postal journal. Read the second part. Further, I said, office note further indicates, no? Okay, office note further indicates that the remaining you cut. Office note further indicates that unserved notice has returned back from the respondent number 9 with a postal note, open inverted comma, no such addressee in the given address, comma, RTS, close inverted comma. The petitioner shall therefore verify the proper and correct address of respondent number 9 and take fresh steps within a week from today by speed post. Next para, insofar as respondent number 4 is concerned, comma, the same office note indicates that although AD card has not returned back, but the postal consignment report shows that the item has been delivered to the addressee on 14/2/2026. Stop in view of above. Notice is also accepted to be complete on respondent number 4. Next para, list the matter again after 3 weeks.
Interim order is there, lordship.
I just want to point out one thing only. The respondent number 6.
Yes.
Respondent number 6, the chairman, state level scrutiny committee, Department of Social Justice and Empowerment. Here, my lord, Mr. R.M. Das. he is the standing counsel. A copy maybe, his name is not shown in the first place. So it has to be, this notice to go to, throw him only.
Number 6.
Response number 6, my lord. It's R.M. Das. He is the counsel for social justice and empowerment. Let them survey copy to Mr. R.M. Das.
One Miss P. Sayi had accepted notice for respondent number 5 and 6.
P, my lord, P.
P. Sayi.
Their date.
Seyi. Sayi. P. Sayi. She had accepted for 5 and 6 last time.
Their name is not shown. That's why just I'm pointing out that. It's okay, my lord.
Whose
RM
name should be
Das.
shown?
Actually, R.M. Das is the counsel.
These are standing counsel.
Standing counsel for respond number this 6.
Standing counsel of what?
Social justice and empowerment.
Okay. Release the matter again after 3 weeks on give a date.
8 April.
On 8 April 2026.
Interim order.
Interim order passed order shall continue to the next date of listing. Registry to show the name of SC, Social Justice and Empowerment Department in the cost list hereafter.
That will become easier.
For admission, item 38.
That is,
May I please, your lordship? Here in this matter, lordship, the senior counsel, Mr. TJ Mott is leading your lordship. He is on legs. Can matter pass on what time?
I am praying for the attend this time, to obtain a written instruction from my university,
Lordship.
Actually, they are insisting for expanding this stigma imposed upon the petitioner. For that, actually, I have received the
Okay.
telephone. I have received the instruction, but I am insisting that should be in writing,
okay. How much time?
attend this time.
Okay, Mr. TJ Manta, learned senior counsel, appearing for the writ petitioner is said to be on legs in a different court. To stop, Mr. NC Das, learned senior counsel, assisted by Ms. J. Bashya, appearing for respondent numbers 1 to 4. Submits that he needs 10 days time to obtain written instructions from his client. Stop considering the above submission. Let the matter be listed again on 24th March.
Right, that's not the time.
Your good name? Okay,
Yes,
Miss S. Musahari, learned counsel, appears for respondent number 5.
39.
Yes, Mr. Saikia? 4 and 5. You said you wanted to file affidavit.
And complete the same. There it comes with to give me the instruction. It no longer here.
So now instruction also will change. Then
But the person,
you change the name, that's all. This is not a by name respondent. Let him come and sign it. Mr. I. Saikia, learned counsel. Submits that he may be given how much time? Appearing for respondent numbers 4 and 5. Submits that he may be given 2 weeks further time to file the counter affidavit.
My lord, receive the instruction and file the affidavit.
No, 2 weeks, not 3 weeks. Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel, appearing for respondent numbers 1 to 3. Is also given 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. So no one appears for the petitioner. So it is also seen that the petitioner did not. It is also seen that no one had appeared for the petitioner. when the matter was listed on 3/2/2026. Be that as it may, let the matter be listed again on so and so. Respondents to file their counter affidavit.
40.
May it please your lordship.
Hmm.
My lord, as per the last order dated 17/2, my lord. As per the last order dated 17/2/26, my lord, we took time to file a affidavit in opposition, reply to the additional affidavit. So today we have filed it, my lord. We have already served copy. So it is not on record that additional affidavit, I reply. So let this matter come after 2 weeks.
Okay. Counsel for the petitioner submits that affidavit in reply has been filed today. Stop. Since the same is not on record as of yet, list the matter again after 2 weeks. Registry to verify and connect the reply affidavit to the case record.
Can it be, my lord, on 16, my lord?
You want a date?
My lord,
Give a date. What? 9th April.
can it be a shorter date, my lord? March.
Why? What is the urgency?
My lord, since the next pay commission is about to sit, my lord, that is 31st March. Obliged.
41.
Your lordship, matter pertains to the provincialization of the service of the petitioner as classical teacher. And he was left out on under 2011 Act after fulfilling all criteria. Thereafter on 2017 Act, he was again left out after having sufficient enrollment. On last occasion, your lordship is directed to file a affidavit, my lord.
In this regard, my lord, we have not received the para-wise comment, my lord. So sometime maybe given. Already we have filed our affidavit in opposition, but detailed affidavit is required.
Why he was left out under 2011 Act after having sufficient enrollment after.
Under the 2011 and he was not notified, my lord.
Yes. He was qualified.
Qualified but not notified.
Detailed affidavit is required or not?
Yes, my lord, detailed affidavit only on the, in respect to the period of age, my lord. Detailed affidavit in respect-
Detailed affidavit was directed on 21/11 of 25.
This is required, my lord.
Mr. U. Sharma, learned counsel for the Secondary Education Department, submits that he requires how much more time?
And 2 weeks time.
He requires further 2 weeks time to file the detailed affidavit in terms of the order dated 21/11/2025. Since he is yet to receive the instructions. Considering the prayer, matter stands adjourned to be listed again on so and so.
42, 43, and 44.
As per my lord, order dated 1/12/2025, my lord. Kindly.
Hard in part. It was part hard.
And there to file the hardened part plus, my lord, they had to also give the affidavit.
Affidavit, or they are supposed to produce the notification. Why benefit of payroll of 2017 has not been extended? Who appeared last time? Kaushik.
It is, my lord, NC Hills, Dima Hassan.
Who is the counsel?
Dima Hassan, second time.
One Mr. C. Sharma was there.
Yeah, NC Hills will be. What's this?
3/4 P. Sei also was there. But main thing is, Mr. Kaushik, standing counsel for secondary education. He was asked to produce notification. Mr. Kaushik is not there anymore in this case. D. Kaushik. No, in the last court date, his name is reflected. So brief has been transferred to somebody else.
No, no.
Huh?
It is allotted to P.Thomas today.
My lord, that in respect of NC Hills, Dimahasa, my lord, they have their own standing counsel for the education department. He is Mr. Kaushik. And
She
yes.
is there.
No, no. If you do, you have a last court's order.
last court, my lord, 112,
112. You have shown me 112. I'm looking at 112 only.
yes, 112, my lord, I have seen, my lord.
It says, Mr. Kaushik Lanet, standing counsel for the secondary education department, shall produce complete notification dated so and so.
Yes,
And additionally, Mr. C. Sharma, who is the standing counsel for respondent number 7, shall obtain instructions. So both direction is both to the standing counsel as well as to the secondary NCLs.
Can you pass over for the time being?
Okay,
time being,
What time?
you find out what has happened.
Forty-six.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. So when the matter was listed on 2/2/2026, Learned Standing Counsel Secondary Education Department was given time to receive complete instructions and to file affidavit. The affidavit has not been filed till date. Who is appearing in this case?
Yes, ma'am. And
Secondary education, who will appear?
he is only the.
Huh?
I am.
Where is your affidavit?
That one has not been here. Instruction is not coming, ma'am. So sometime maybe granted.
Mr. U. Sharma, praise for Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department, praise for and is granted for the 2 weeks time to receive his instructions and to file counter affidavit. List again on phone.
Item 59 on the supplementary list.
'59. What happened to 55, 56? 57, 58?
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the respondent side is,
You're in 55.
yes.
Just a minute, I'll just get the file. So. Yes,
Lordship, the respondent have filed their opposition, lordship, in this case. Lordship, the matter relates to lordship issuance of lordship duplicate admit card and lordship HSLC certificate, lordship, of the petitioner, lordship, which is where, lordship, her date of birth has been wrongly recorded, lordship. This is the issue here.
okay. So would you like to file reply or not?
Lordship, actually, in their opposition, they have only stated that it's a time barred. Even in that case, that we have filed a representation against the wrong date of birth, Lordship. They stated the same thing, Lordship, that is barred by limitation, Lordship, 3 years. But the point here is, Lordship, we have lost the said certificate, Lordship.
You don't want to answer my question.
Lordship.
My question to you was whether you want to file reply affidavit or not.
No, Lordship. We
You don't want to file?
No.
Okay. Now, who's appearing for Seba? DK Roy? Anybody else is a party here?
No, Lordship. Only they are the necessary party. We have made.
Secondary is also a party. Anything you have to say? Secondary?
This matter is pertains to matter the Seva board. So now, and they have already filed their affidavit, my lord, and they stated here.
No, don't start giving me all those lectures.
Yes.
I'm asking you, are you required to file any affidavit or not? Yes or no, that much? Not required, okay. So what is your case? Tell me.
Lordship, in the year. Lordship, in the year 2023, Lordship, she is working as a auxiliary cum midwife, Lordship, in RNB Civil Hospital, Kokrajhar, Lordship.
Since 1991?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
She lost her HSLC examination documents of 1984, Lordship. And after, Lordship, applying for that, Lordship, her, that is on, Lordship, page 15 and page 15A, Lordship. Her date
50
of,
and
Lordship,
page 50?
page 15, Lordship.
15.
15, Lordship.
You have to pronounce double E. You have to stress a bit, 15 like that.
Yes.
If you say 50, it's like 50.
Yes, Lord. My apologies.
Okay, so this is what? Duplicate?
Yes, this is the duplicate, Lordship.
No, this is admit card only.
Yes, admit card. She lost her admit card and her high school leaving certificate. That is on the next page, Lordship. Where her date of birth has been recorded as 1962, even though her original date of birth is 1966.
How?
Lordship, everywhere, Lordship, she actually appeared in 1984 also, Lordship, examination.
No, then show me a document where you are shown as
Yes,
1966.
Lordship. Page 16, Lordship, annexure 4, that she has applied again for another duplicate of the admit card.
Why?
That is 16, Lordship, annexure 4, Lordship.
No, why?
She appeared twice because she failed the first time, Lordship. In
Which is the first one?
First one is the 1984 one, Lordship.
Roll number 154.
154, that is her date of birth is recorded as 30/12/1962, Lordship.
This is the first attempt.
Yes, Lordship. This
Then-
is the first attempt.
This is the first attempt. Then
yes,
second attempt.
Second attempt, Lordship, that is annexure 4, page 16. Her age as on 1st of March 1983 is 16 years, 2 months, 1 day, Lordship. The same duplicate card, which, Lordship, if calculated, comes to the year 1966.
Okay, so just because of that, you say that you are born in 1966.
Yes, Lordship. Also, Lordship, we have, that is next page, Lordship.
So why shouldn't we rely upon the first one?
Lordship.
Why should we rely upon the second one?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I have also annexed the photocopy of the original admit card also.
If you have the original admit card, then why did you apply for duplicate?
Lordship, we have the photocopy, but the original was lost in 2023. Lordship, we have no discrepancy regarding even in the service book or anything, Lordship. Only thing is that we have, that is on page 17, Lordship.
What is written in your service book?
Service book also the same 30/12/1966 only.
Okay.
We have no discrepancy regarding that, Lordship.
Okay, then why have you come to the court then?
My thing is, Lordship, that my admit card, Lordship, of 1984, Lordship. Lordship, it is recorded as 30/12/1962. My discrepancy was only regarding, Lordship, that year of birth, Lordship, date of birth.
See, Mr. Counsel, if it does not affect your service,
Lordship.
your service book entry is 1966. Then why do you want to change this in the admit card? Is it required?
Lordship,
How does it affect you?
but if Lordship in future, Lordship, they may ask my documents or anything, Lordship, then there may be a problem, Lordship.
So
Because I don't have the original ones, Lordship. That is the problem, Lordship.
where is your service book?
Lordship, service book, Lordship. That is a annexure 920, 23, Lordship. 23 is the page number, Lordship.
So this is only a testimonial.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is your service book? Relevant page.
Lordship, this, as per her, it is recorded in her service book record, Lordship. We could not get the service book, Lordship, the photocopy of the service book.
Who has given this?
This is given by Lordship Chief Medical and Health Officer, Lordship, of Kokrajhar, Lordship.
So if the service book shows 30/12/1966, there is nothing wrong.
Yes, Lordship.
This is your claim date of birth.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
But one thing, Lordship, this discrepancy, Lordship, may lead to in future problems. That is our only case, Lordship. For that, Lordship, we have also annexed the original photocopy of the admit card, Lordship.
Now, who has filed the affidavit?
Lordship,
We have filed our affidavit.
Seba. Okay, just a minute. I'll come to you, Mr. Roy. Apart from you, who else is there? Respondent.
Lordship, only second.
You belong to which department? You are from which department?
I am from Lordship Health Department.
Health department.
Yes, Lord.
You have not made them a party?
Nurse come with by, Lordship.
You have not made them a party.
No, Lordship. Because
So we do not know what is written in your service book, except for this certificate. So that means health department does not know what is happening. You have come only against the SEBA.
yes, Lord.
We will come to SEBA part. Before that, this number one, Mr. U Sharma is for number one, correct? Number three also? No, number three is by SEBA. You are 2 and 3.
Yes.
One has nothing to say, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So let us ask SEBA that now.
Yes,
Why-
my lord. My lord, our stand is that, my lord, she applied for correction of her date of birth only on 9/8/2023. That is, my lord, after 39 years for passing of the examination, my, which is not as per board's norm.
Okay, now you tell me one thing. As per the petitioner, is he or she? She. She attempted the matriculation examination.
Yes, ma'am.
This is secondary education. This is +2.
Lordship.
Admit card you shown is +2.
Lordship is class 10 examination. The class high school is class.
Oh, HSLC.
HSLC.
Okay, right. She attempted this matriculation examination twice. First time she failed.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the first time, her date of birth is shown as 1962.
Yes, ma'am.
Second time she appeared, her date of birth has been calculated as 1966.
Lordship, one thing I am wrong, Lordship. 1983, her date of birth is correctly written, Lordship. The page 16(1), that is 1966. The second time she appeared, it is written as 1962.
Which one is correct?
The
Page?
annexure 4, Lordship, page 16. That is her date of, the age is recorded as 16 years, 2 months, 1 day, Lordship.
That correct. This is
Yes.
the second attempt.
No, Lordship, this is the first attempt. That is 1983, Lordship.
Oh, first attempt. So
This
that's
is
why I
the
was
first.
wondering. First attempt, they got it right,
Yes.
according to you.
Yes, Lord.
First attempt was correct.
Yes, Lordship. Second
And
attempt.
second attempt, they gave you a date of birth as 1962, which is not correct.
Yes.
And can you tell me on what basis did you declare your date of birth in the school?
Lordship, we have annexed.
Because the board also will not give you their own date of birth. This is according to your application.
Yes, Lordship.
You have to fill up a form.
Yes, Lordship.
Submitted.
You'll fill a form and submit, and they will record that this is your date of birth.
Yes, Lordship.
Then they give a certificate. So on what basis are you claiming that you were born in 1966?
Lordship, we have annexed her birth certificate, but that is from her 1986, Lordship. That is her 1986 one. That is on Annexure 8, page 21, Lordship.
Birth certificate given by whom?
By the Lordship Government Hospital, Lordship. Assam Government, Lordship.
When?
That is on
1986.
1986, Lordship.
And your application for '86. You don't have any document before your examination
No, Lordship.
in before '83.
No, Lordship.
So, see, one thing is there, the board has their own policy that they cannot go accept such correction of date of birth after 39 years.
But my date of birth is correctly recorded, Lordship, in 1983 one. Admit card, Lordship.
All right, but on what basis? 1983, you did not have this 1986 certificate by the medical. You did not have.
Yes, Lordship.
So on what basis you declared?
Also, Lordship, we have the original, Lordship, admit card, Lordship, photocopy of the admit card also. That is of 1984, Lordship. That is on page 17.
Admit card given to you in 1984.
Even admit card of 1984 states that her date of birth is 30/12/1966. Lordship. But in a duplicate, Lordship, they have.
You have only shown me the admit card. Where is your mark sheet? Your matriculation certificate?
Lordship, for mark sheet, we have to annex, we have to file an additional affidavit for mark sheet.
What is written there?
Lordship. Mark sheet, Lordship, we have to file, Lordship. We have to see again, Lordship, because the mark sheet that was provided, Lordship, we have.
You are only showing me the admit card. What is written in your matriculation certificate, your matriculation mark sheet?
Yes,
What is written there? 1962.
No, 1966 only.
66
We'll file an
only.
additional affidavit, Lordship.
Fine. Where is your stand, Mr. Roy? Paragraph
At running page 28, my lord.
28.
Paragraph 3.
So board can make rectification
But
of date of birth.
my lord, the clerical error only, my lord, that too within 3 years from the date of commencement of the examination.
Where is that provision?
My lord, provision is in our regulation, my lord, but
You should have annexed it
yes, ma'am.
to make your stand,
Yes.
to fortify your stand. You annex your document saying that, see, as per regulation, only 3 years after examination.
Yes.
He has come after 39 years.
Yes.
We cannot look into this. You are just making a statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write, counsel for the petitioner prays for and is granted 2 weeks time to file additional affidavit to bring on record the matriculation certificate or mark sheet of the petitioner. which she had attempted in the year 1984,
1983 and 84, Lordship. Both times she has attempted.
83 and 84. So, Mr. D.K. Roy, Learned Standing Counsel for respondent numbers 2 and 3. Standing Counsel Seba.
Now ASSEB, my lord, ASSEB.
Assam.
Assam State School.
Standing Counsel ASSEB shall also file an additional affidavit to bring on record the guidelines followed by ASSEB in respect of change of date of birth.
Obliged.
List again on so.
27. Obliged, Lordship.
56.
Project can be taken after some time.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Here we have challenge.
Sometime, Lordship.
Hmm?
In this case, may I pray for some? Yeah, today is Lordship, the second day, Lordship. But by mistake, we have not communicated that to the exponent, Lordship. It is our mistake. So, Lordship, to file it to the Lordship.
Okay. How much time?
First time.
First week. First week of April. As paid for by Ms. D.D. Margot, Learned Senior Government Advocate, appearing for which respondents?
1, 2, and 3, Lordship.
Respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. Further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit. List again on so.
57 and 58.
None appears to the petitioner when the matter is called. The Standing Counsel for Elementary Education are also not present. So, however, for ends of justice, further 3 weeks time is granted to the respondents for filing their counter affidavit. List again also.
81, 4. 59.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, matter may be taken after some time as conducting counsel is not present.
I think we'll have to give them some more time. This is the second day.
I will take son number 1 and 4.
Parties are represented by the respective councils. As paid for by Mr. A.R. Tahibildar. Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
1 and 4.
1 and 4. And you? Then you write like this, as paid for by the learned counsels for the respondents. Further 3 weeks time is granted to receive instructions and to file counter affidavit. List again on Swinson.
1,
Sure.
90, 42, 43, and 44.
No, as per the last direction, I was supposed to
produce the complete notification of that.
And Mr. Sharma?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of NC Hills, Education Department, Lordship. We have filed our affidavit, but Lordship, there is defect, so it is not on record, Lordship.
Defect?
Yes, Lordship.
What defect?
Lordship, I don't know, I have asked my clerk to inquire, Lordship. Well, check the.
We have not received it.
Post, means that of site, Lordship, day before yesterday. Then I came to know that it has not been, it is not shown in the site.
E-filing.
E-filing, Lordship. So I asked my clerk to check it, Lordship.
Thing is that before filing, you are supposed to serve one copy
Yes, Lordship. That also I have to inquire.
to the other side. You have not filed even before serving copy, you have found defect.
Lordship, you have filed it, but how he filed it?
Okay. You examine, you see,
Yes, Lordship. I have asked my clerk to check it.
parties are represented by the respective councils. Mr. B. Kaushik, in terms of the order dated 1/12/2025, has produced the notification dated 11/1/2023. The same is kept on the record and marked as X for identification.
One copy of the same may be provided to us also.
A copy of the same be furnished to the learned counsel for the petitioner as well. Next para, Mr. C. Sharma, learned standing counsel,
Education Department, NCLs.
Education Department, and C. Hills submits that affidavit is already prepared, but he needs some time to file the same. And prays for how much time? A week's time. Huh? A week's time. Considering the same, that the matter be listed again until 6 March.
Except for the meeting members.
How many? Yeah, okay, okay. How many hearing matters are there?
For hearing item 15.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior is in legs and will take some time, so yeah. Lordship may kindly adjourn the matter for the day.
Who's your senior?
MK Chaudhary. Lordship,
Who's-
kindly fix a short date.
You want a short date?
Lordship,
What is the matter about?
the matter is about provincialization of the petitioners.
As
Who served as a librarian in the Janamuk College.
provincialization as college teachers. How many
As a
petitioners?
librarian.
Huh?
As librarian.
Librarian. How many of them?
Only one.
Only one. Mr. Abedin, you are there as a private respondent.
No, as a private respondent on behalf of the principal of the college.
Oh, for the principal. Okay. Mr. M.K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, is said to be on legs in a different court. On a prayer made on his behalf, matter stands adjourned. To be listed again.
My lord, would it be 7th of April?
Let the registry fix it.
No, my lord.
Month. We'll give you a month.
My lord, one day, that day, my lord, I just apprised my lord. My lord, when there's for some mention, it comes, your lordship sends it to the registry. So what we do, we give it to the registry, but then again, we have to collect from the registry, then we have to go and place it for somewhere else. I had to face all these things one day, my lord. 7th is the Tuesday, my lord, is a hearing day. 7th April.
Is there anything? You have the dates with you. It's shown. And 9th? 9th of
Ninth.
There are less matters on
Okay.
9th. To be listed on 9th of April,
Obliged.
2026.
Very extremely sorry, madam. Item number 48, madam. And regarding orders, I missed the bus, madam, since she did not inform properly, madam.
No, we have not dismissed it or anything like that. What was the order? I see.
After
It'll come again after a week.
I'm very sorry, madam.
51.
Kindly pass over for time being lordship.
Who is appearing in this matter?
Mr. S.B. Laskar, lordship.
Sorry?
S.B. Laskar, S.B. Laskar.
SB Laskar.
Yes, lordship.
Where is he?
His, lordship, actually his appointment in medical lordship. So that's why.
Oh. Is he coming to the court or not?
Lordship, kindly matter will be fixed at 2, lordship.
Mr. Kaushik, you are there in this case.
My lord.
Is it a lengthy matter?
My lord, in fact, your lordship has heard it earlier, my lord. Your lordship will see the last order. One clarification which your lordship wanted from us is, my lord, that whether the betterment examination, because there was already a speaking order passed, and that was a part of the affidavit filed by the respondent.
Just a minute, huh? Let me read
My
this
lord,
order.
that is very
Yes, what is the instruction?
as for the clarification that has been received from the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, my lord, that only one betterment improvement mark is permissible, my lord, for consideration.
But this is what I've been recorded also last time.
Yes, and that has been clarified, my lord, because the Assam Secondary Education Council is the authority who conducts the examination, my lord. And they have clarified that is third page, my lord, of that violation. So for a clarification regarding this.
Third page.
Third page.
You have a copy with you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the date of the communication?
That is 14/3/2023.
Please read it. I can't understand. What does it say?
Madam, with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that as per the guidelines of the ASOS course curriculum, a regular admitted learner in ASOS course curriculum may opt for appearing in betterment just after passing HS level examination conducted by the ASOS under the HSEC. Only once within the stipulated period of 5 years from the date of taking admission. The HS classroom passed out student may take part admission up to 4 subjects to update their knowledge. As per the provision of the part admission, admission is offered only for updating of the previous knowledge, and only the mark sheet is provided to the learners showing the marks obtained in the subject. As such, there is no any guideline for calculating of marks of the HSLC. Now, if your lordship will turn to the second page, number.
Second page, yes.
The order of the government.
Hmm.
Whereas the Director of Elementary Education published an advertisement dated 11/2/2022. This is the subject advertisement in this petition. Against 5320 vacancies of LP and UP teachers till the last date of application dated 9/3/2023. Whereas it has been found that a large number of candidates have applied with betterment improvement mark sheet at the higher secondary level under the Assam State Open School ASOS for the said post against the advertisement. Whereas it has come to the notice of the Directorate that the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council has published one notification dated 14/3/2022, wherein by point number F and G, the council has made it clear that the students applying for admission under the improvement scheme may take admission only in subject they have appeared earlier in the qualifying examination. And for applying under the improvement scheme, candidates may reappear in the same subject only, and one chance will be given to the regular learners. Whereas DE Assam in its earlier recruitment process used to consider the best of the 5 subjects from both the original HSLC mark sheet and the betterment improvement mark sheet. While doing so, English and one MIL such as English and Assamese and Bengali etc. were compulsorily kept as the core subject due to lack of clarification as to the subject that a candidate can select in betterment improvement scheme. Therefore, considering all aspects, it is decided that in the forthcoming physical document verification against the aforementioned advertisement, the best of the subject from both the mark sheet, original HSLC and the betterment as under SOS will be considered that it will be only in case of subjects that are same with the original HSLC mark sheet and the candidate. Subjects that are not in earlier qualifying examination original HSLC will not be considered. It is also directed that regarding verification of DLED certificate for the candidates who had completed DLED course from the other state of the verifying authority may allow the upload admission. This is not necessary. Now, here in this petition, the prayer of the petitioner is seeking a mandamus to lordship will kindly take up the petition.
Consider the betterment marks.
Yes. To take account of the subtotal of the percentage of marks which is so and so obtained by the petitioner in HSLC, DLED, and seated examination. Now his grievance was that he has participated in the process, but he has not been called in the document verification. And therefore, he has asked for a mandamus directing to calculate this marks based on the that betterment. Now, apparently, the government has passed an order. That is one of the second order, second page which I read. It's a part of the affidavit, Annexure B. Page 39 is the order, 28 February 2020.
So this is the same thing you are giving me?
Yes, that's the part of the record, and page 40 is the clarification for verification of documents by the director, where serial number 3 will kindly see. Page 40.
More than one.
Yes.
Cannot be more than one.
Yes. Therefore, there cannot be any question of accepting any alternative betterment improvement marks.
Petitioner has applied for betterment twice.
Twice.
So he wants which betterment marks to be applied?
The last one.
The last one. The second one also was not good enough.
Not good.
I mean, the first one was not good enough. So the second one should be applied.
Perhaps this challenge will have to be with regard to the criteria now, because Apparently, his candidature was rejected based on the decision that was taken by the government.
Criteria is given through this letter,
Yes,
annexure B.
yes, ma'am.
And criteria is based on what?
This was by the advertisement issuing authority to the agency who was calculating the marks. This is NACOM impression is because what happens.
That is the agency only.
Yes, what happens.
And the agency is conducting the examinations on behalf of
there's
the,
no examination in this advertisement.
conducting the selection
Selection. It is
or
computerized.
evaluation.
Yes, it is a computerized process.
Evaluation on behalf of the secondary education.
Yes,
Correct.
elementary.
Elementary or secondary?
Elementary.
But this letter is by the secondary education department. Come to page 40,
Yes, no,
top of the page, top of the page.
Director heading is like that, but the from Director of Elementary Education. Sign is put by the Director of Elementary Education. Down below.
No, heading says secondary. Signature is by elementary.
Elementary.
Is it common?
And the letter is also from the Director of Elementary.
No, that much is okay.
Yes,
Director of elementary has written this letter,
yes. That's.
but on the top of the letter,
Yes, I
it
don't know
says Office of the Secondary Education.
It ought to have been Elementary Education. The letterhead.
There are two directorates,
Yes,
separate.
Two separate. Secondary and elementary.
Secondary deals with which classes?
From 5 to 10.
5 to 10. And
5 to
elementary?
5 to 12.
1 to 4.
1.
This is regarding elementary.
Elementary.
But what is the basis of this annexure B?
One to 8 is elementary.
1 to 8 elementary.
9 to 12 is second.
Secondary. Okay. You are requested to follow the following criteria while calculating marks of the candidates. Now, there has to be some basis.
The basis is, my lord, the order of the government, my lord, page 39.
Third paragraph.
Yes.
Assam Higher Secondary Council
Assam Higher Secondary Council.
has published one notification.
Okay.
Do you have this notification? 14/3/2022.
That notification I don't have it.
Wherein white point number F and G, council has made it clear that students applying for admission under improvement scheme may take admission only in subject they have appeared earlier in the qualifying examination. Only one, and one chance will be given to regular learner. See, when they say
Notification, but the memo number, my lord, it is same, my lord, the third page which I have produced today. Memo number is same, my lord.
the date is not same, na? 2000 year is not same. 2023 and 2022.
22, yes. I think Assam Higher Secondary Council.
No, memo number is not same.
No, my lord.
Different.
Slightly different.
2038.
Yes.
But what does this say? It says that you get only one chance to appear in the examination which you have already undertaken.
Yes.
Why should anybody seek improvement examination on subjects which they never appeared? Isn't it?
No, well, there are rare cases. There were cases where they have changed their subject in the betterment examination, and they rely on those subjects, my lord, for the purpose of the recruitment. Therefore, this government has passed this order on 28th February.
Give an example.
Suppose, my lord, in some cases they have earlier appeared in English. Subsequently, they have opted Assamese for in the betterment examination.
Which they never took.
They don't know.
How can
But the lacuna in that NIS
No,
examination.
the very concept of betterment is examination
just
that
improving the
something
marks.
was already there.
Yes.
To improve that, improvement examination is to be there.
Yes, yes. Right.
So improvement has to be on the same subject.
Same subject. And that therefore that was what
You are
has been
saying that
clarified by 14/3/2022.
you are saying that somebody had played mischief.
Not mischief, my lord,
That's why this instruction.
but the this initially, my lord, this scheme under which the AHSC has conducted this betterment examination, that was not so conclusive, my lord.
See, it talks about one chance.
One chance,
Petition has applied twice.
twice.
So where is that one chance?
In fact, your lordship will kindly see-
When did he appear for the betterment
My
examination?
lord will kindly see page 15 of the report.
Hmm?
Page 15, the petitioners, my lord. Page 15 is the original mark sheet, my lord.
Betterment in which subject?
Now, betterment in English in the next page, page 16, and chemistry. Now, the third betterment your lordship will kindly see, again see. Page 17. Under
Oh,
the,
no, that's what
yes,
your notification shows that there will be only one betterment.
yes, only one
But
better.
this petition has been able to sit on 2 occasions for betterment.
Yes. By the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council and thereafter under that National Indian Open Schooling.
Why different like that? Why there's two authority here?
Here, if your lordship will kindly see page 17, my lord. Now this Bengali is no more there. Again on the 4 subjects. English, chemistry, mathematics.
No,
and
tell
physics.
me why this change now? Earlier it was Assam Higher Secondary Education Council.
No, my lord, under this, that is what, my lord, under this Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, my lord, has under this ASOS scheme, which was conducted by the National Institute of Open Schooling. Assam State Open School.
So it is not an improvement or betterment conducted under the Higher Education Council.
No.
This is done by the NIOS.
Yes.
So is it a betterment or it's a separate examination altogether?
Cannot be separate. My lord. One cannot have higher secondary twice, my lord. This it appears, my lord, if it is not betterment, then you will have 3 higher secondary examination certificates.
That's what. So what is the link between Assam Higher Secondary Council and the NIOS?
I think, my lord,
The instruction that you have just read,
that does not say anything about
this is the School Education Department
yes.
is banking on the Assam Higher Secondary Council.
Yes.
Then in between this NIOS comes. NIOS is an open thing, isn't it?
It's open.
Anybody can go and apply.
Yes, sir.
Open school. So one can have more than 1 degree then. From the council, you have 1 degree.
Yes.
You're not satisfied, you
And
go and sit for
you go-
from the open.
Yes. And
Open school.
You will take aid of the one which is better one for the purpose of recruitment.
So when he applies for that employment, he can go for the better one why he'll give two marks, two certificates? I don't understand the logic behind. Whichever is better, you will apply with that.
With that, but he
Why-
has applied
why-
with both these certificates.
How one applies for two certificates and
Because
asking the
of the
authority
date-
to choose the better one?
But because of the date of the passing of the examination, because the other certificate is a betterment chance.
Date of examination is 22, betterment. Original
First
is,
examination is 20/05/2011.
original is 11.
Yeah, and the betterment under the Higher Secondary Council is 4/6/2012. And again, under the NIOS, that is October 2022.
This is for the post of
Well, the assistant teacher
fresh.
under,
Is it a fresh
LP.
appointment?
yes, yes,
Now, supposing
LP school.
he applies for with the 2022 certificate,
Well,
he'll become ineligible or what?
perhaps not, because his other subsequent, because 2022 certificate is of higher secondary.
See,
His subsequent degrees are prior to that.
the logic behind, you
Yes.
see, advertisement was issued on 2023. Supposing you apply and produce a certificate of you having passed in 2022, that means you are a new entrant, a fresh
Present.
pass out.
Yes. But his subsequent degrees would be of earlier date. So if he is a graduate, if a graduate of 2015, because 2012 he has passed HSLC. So it will be 13, 14, 15. 15 he will be a graduate. So now if he uses a certificate of 2022 of higher secondary, so his graduation degree is prior to the higher secondary. So therefore he has given both the certificates, the first one and the betterment one, later the third betterment.
Betterment is only in one subject or in all the subjects?
Yes. He opted for, from the certificate, it appears he has opted for all the subjects in the last certificate.
So you should have used the better one.
Better one, yes.
Why go for the one in which he scored less? What is the logic behind?
A reason it would be, my lord, it pays 18, my lord, to kindly see.
18.
Place 18. This is his, my lord, DLH certificate. It's of 2017-19. So his DLH cannot be prior to the higher secondary.
What is the qualification required to be a primary school teacher?
The advertisement.
LP? You have to be a graduate with DLED.
And just
Where's the advertisement?
page 21 is the qualification. For LP teachers,
Where's the qualification?
my lord, page 21 in the serial number 16, eligibility criteria for LP schools. Senior secondary or its equivalent with at least 50% marks and 2-year diploma in the elementary education. Or senior secondary or equivalent with at least 45% and 2-year diploma in accordance with the NCT regulation 2002. Or senior secondary with at least 50% mark and 4-year bachelor of elementary education. Senior secondary or with 50% marks and 2-year diploma in education, special education.
Okay, what do you mean by senior secondary?
Senior secondary is higher secondary, class 12.
Okay.
And if your lordship will kindly see the selection, the criteria of selection at page 22. There's no examination.
Where?
Page 22, down below, my lord, will see serial number 22, selection process.
Mm,
My lord finds page 22.
mm,
Just below the two tables.
mm.
The selection of the candidate shall be strictly in order of merit, considering the reservation of so and so, and marks will be allocated as follows. Now, the allocation of marks at the next page. HSLC or its equivalent. Marks will be in proportion to the percentage of the marks secured in the examination. For example, if a candidate secures 54% aggregate marks in HSLC examination, he shall be given 54 marks for the HSLC examination. Assam TET or CTET for LPS, professional qualification DLED and BEd. So these are the other criteria for the extracurriculars.
So
So his
you will get the marks as per the percentage. You get 60%, that means 60 marks. So that's why the marks is important.
That's why he has given the two certificates, because his original certificate has to be there. Because that shows his the date of passing of the HSLC.
Hmm. And which is the relevant thing? He'll be teaching what? Any particular subject?
No, it's an LP school assistant teacher.
So overall marks, I mean, in all the subjects.
Yes.
The first one is page 15,
First one is
2011.
2011.
What is the percentage?
Percentage would be approximately 43%.
Total marks divided by number of subject.
Number.
Second is the page 16 is the first betterment
First
chance.
betterment chance.
So according to the instruction, this is the only one which can be relied upon. Once.
This is the-
But he's got lesser in this mark.
No, the 233.
Earlier he got how much?
There was 218.
218.
Yes, 213 plus 5.
Where is the 218?
Earlier one, page 15, Miller.
Yes, where's the total?
Total is 213 plus 5 plus 05.
This is 203. This is 213.
213.
I see.
218. The next would be 230.
Plus 5 means?
Plus 5 means it's in the practical he has got 5.
Practical. So how much will be the total then?
It is 218.
218. Second time
Second is
in the
230.
betterment he got 233.
33.
And the third he got from Open Institute of
326.
326. So he wants this 326 to be utilized.
326 to be done.
But the subjects are English, chemistry, mathematics.
Chemistry, mathematics and physics.
English, chemistry, mathematics,
And physics.
physics. MIL is not there.
No.
And the total is without MIL.
Total is without one.
If it was with MIL, it have gone much more than this.
Much more. And this, my lord, NIS certificate, if you will see page 17, this does not say anything about, my lord, betterment or something like that. My lord. It appears to be a fresh examination.
Fresh examination.
Yes.
So that is the issue then.
Yes, that is.
You may have got the better marks by a fresh examination.
Fresh examination.
Whether if it's a fresh examination and if you show that,
Then his
then your
subsequent degrees
will be
prior to that qualification.
you're going the other way around. Normally you go up like that, the
Yes.
level goes up.
Like you will have graduation before higher secondary.
First of all, he did the graduation, then went back.
Then he had to opted for class.
So that is why he could not but produce the earlier one.
The earlier.
So all taken together, whether that can be permissible or not.
If the betterment chance is taken, that is only 233. That is second one.
Council is not here, but so
I'll try to get this notification also, 14/3/2022. What does it say?
come to notice the director or some published. Students applying for admission under the improvements may taken from the institute they have appeared. Applying under improvement scheme. See, what it says is clear.
Yes. For the same subjects,
Students seeking for betterment or improvement examination can appear only once. And that also on the subjects
on the
which they
same
had appeared,
subject, he has,
not on a different subject.
No,
That much only.
that was much. So that's very clear, madam, because of this two certificates, well, the third certificate, he cannot rely on the third certificate. One cannot have betterment every time.
Had he had this certificate, supposing in 2012, then what will happen?
Perhaps then he could have used this 2012 certificate.
Then he would have not taken out the 2012 certificate and would have bought this NIOS certificate.
NIOS certificate.
But MIL is not there.
MIL.
What are they supposed to teach? All subjects.
In LP school, there are all subjects except.
So senior secondary is enough with the training, is it?
Yes, that is enough.
Graduation is not required.
Not.
Yes. You are there in this case.
Yes, my lordship. In the last occasion, my lordship, instruction was called for as to why I have not been appointed, my lordship. Similar, earlier also instruction was called for my lordship.
Our instruction has come,
Yes, my lordship.
which says that only one betterment examination only one chance will be given. You had appeared in 2011.
Yes, ma'am.
And late in 2012, again you appeared for betterment.
Betterment.
Score was much better than the earlier one.
Yes, ma'am.
But then you appear in 2022.
Yes, ma'am.
Under NIOS.
Yes, ma'am.
Wherein the score was much better again.
Yes.
But subject was totally not same. MIL Bengali was missing.
Yes, ma'am.
The rest all you appeared.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you want that subject to be, sort of taken into account.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is taken into account, you will be scoring more than the last candidate who has been selected. So now the question is, as per the respondents, you can only appear once. And therefore, what you appear in 2012 can be taken, at the best, can be taken into account. Not the one which you appeared in 2022. This is what they say. And secondly, one thing which again needs to be considered is when one betterment only is permissible, after 2011 and 12, after about 10 years in 2022, you appeared.
Yes, ma'am.
Under NIOS. It's an open.
NIOS scheme was itself was brought only for giving us the opportunity to appear, my lordship. One, it's because this
No. Just listen to the question first. NIOS came in 2022, you appeared. It is not an improvement. You appeared for the entire subject.
Yes, ma'am.
English, maths, chemistry, physics, except for the MIL.
MIL. Allowed.
So this is a separate examination altogether. You've got 2 degrees now. Degrees mean you have this certificates of class 12.
Yes,
one is by the council, one is by the NIOS. So this is not an improvement. These are 2 are separate. And in order to use that 2022 certificate, you have to rely upon the 2011-12 also. Why? Because you have done your DLED or something like that much before your NIOS.
Yes.
So you cannot be like a graduate before you pass class 12. So you have brought that into picture now. Question is whether that will be permissible.
Well, as per the notification, my lordship, which notification is very much clear, my lordship. That notification which I have annexed, my lordship. Affidavit in reply, my lordship.
Page number.
Please, my lord, page 39, my lord, affidavit in opposition, page 39.
Opposition, not reply.
Opposition, page 39, my lord. First, I'll read the notification, my lord.
Yes.
Whereas the Director of Elementary Education Assam published advertisements for recruitment in regular vacant post of LP, UP school teachers by advertisements such and such dated against 5,320 vacancies of LP and UP teachers till the last date of application, that is 9/3/2023. Whereas it has been found that a large number of candidates have applied with betterment improvement mark sheets at the higher secondary level under Assam State Open School for the post against the advertisements. Whereas it has come to the notice of the Directorate that Assam Higher Secondary Education Council has published one notification such and such dated 14/3/2022, wherein 5 points F and G, the council has made it clear that students applying for admission under improvement scheme may take admission only in subjects they have appeared in the earlier qualifying examination. I have appeared only except MIL, only 5 other subjects I have applied, my lordship. And for applying under improvement scheme, candidates may reappear in the same subject only. They cannot take subject which they have not studied earlier.
One chance.
The subject which I have studied earlier.
And that is okay. That is understood. It says one chance, one chance.
And one chance will be given in regular learner. That is one chance, my lords. Even the 2000, that last one chance means
2012.
no, it is under NOES, my lordship. Candidates may reappear in the same subject. Only one chance will be given in regular learner. So, whereas DE Assam in its earlier recruitment process used to consider the best of the 5 subjects from both the original HSLC's mark sheet and betterment improvement mark sheet. While doing so, English and one MIL, such as English and Assamese and Bengali, were compulsory kept as core subjects due to lack of clarification as to the subjects that a candidate can select in betterment improvement scheme. Therefore, considering all the aspects, it is decided that in the forthcoming physical document verification against the aforementioned advertisement, the best of the subject from both the mark sheets, original HSLC and that of the betterment improvement of SOS will be considered, but that will be only in case of subjects that are same with that of the original HSLC mark sheet of the candidate. Subjects that are not in the earlier qualifying examination original HSLC will not be considered. It is also directed that regarding verification of DLAT certificates for the candidates who had completed DLAT course.
Yeah, that's not relevant. Last paragraph is not relevant.
Yes, my lord.
What is this SOS?
SOS
State open.
states there is a certificate which I have obtained, my lord. State open schooling.
Full form?
That is a state open schooling.
Hmm.
NIOS, it is national. There are my institution, National Institute of Open Schooling, but there are different. There are
Without MIL, it is without MIL.
Yes, my lordship.
MIL is not there.
Not there, my lordship. Only I have selected all the subjects, my lord. Only I left the MIL. This is a particularly scheme was brought, my lordship, only for improvement of the giving opportunity to the students, my lordship, who somehow could not secure good marks in the original examination, my lordship. It was an opportunity given, my lordship, and I have availed that opportunity.
No, that your open school thing is not an improvement. It's a separate. It's a separate examination.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not an improvement examination. Like today, you obtain a certificate from the council, scoring, say, 300 marks. You're not satisfied with that. And leaving alone that improvement, now you say that there's a chance to appear in the open school. You go and appear there for the entire subject separately. Then you get a better marks. Then you should have utilized that marks only. Why did you bring that improvement marks in between 2011 and 2012? Not required.
It's because as a regular candidate, it is not possible to sit 2 times, my lordship, under council, my lord.
Correct,
Only
correct.
one time I was allowed to sit. So that opportunity I have availed in the year 2012, my lordship. And since because there is no other opportunity and the state
Not
has allowed
2012, I think 2011.
2011, my original exam, first
Original exam,
and
Betterment
that
is
betterment 2012.
12,
And betterment scheme
as a regular student.
is a regular student. Now
Once only.
one subject.
Then-
One time I have appeared in 2012, and thereafter there was no opportunity to sit in the betterment examination. In the year 2000, later on under open schooling, I got the opportunity to sit in the betterment examination. So I took that opportunity, my lordship, because the state has allowed lots of students to appear, my lordship, under that scheme, my lordship. And this notification also allows us that it should be considered, my lordship.
So you're saying this notification or this order is in your favor?
Yes, my lordship. Because they have allowed us, my lordship, to sit in the examination.
Now, question is,
Based on that notification, the calculation is being done. That page 36, my lord, my affidavit.
no, before that,
Yes.
this third paragraph, what do you understand?
Well,
Where it has come to the notice of the directorate published on 14/3/2020, wherein points F and G.
Well, how they arrived at the calculation also, my lordship?
Persons applying for admission under the improvement scheme may take admission only in subject they have appeared earlier. What do you understand by the third paragraph? It says only one chance will be given
yes.
for regular learner
And that's he has availed in
in
2022.
2022. Now you come to the second last paragraph.
My lord.
This again says that
Therefore, considering all aspects, it is decided that in the forthcoming physical prohibition against the aforementioned advertisement, the best of the subject from both the marksheet original and that of the betterment will be considered, but it will be only in the subject that are same with his original marksheet of the candidate. Subject that are not in the earlier qualifying examination will not be considered. Now, my lord, that is what
you have not read this part.
Well-
Improvement under SOS is also there.
yes, if the
So does it not provide the chance to the petitioner to produce his marks obtained under SOS?
no, my lord, because
But it says so, best of the subject from both the mark sheet, original HSSLC and that of the betterment / improvement under the SOS.
yes, but he has that
2012 he will not produce because he has not got much. SOS is better, so he has produced SOS.
He has produced 2012 and the SOS.
Correct.
Not the original earlier one, 2011. When he uploaded for his application, he gave 2012 and the 2022, the SOS. Not the original one, the original certificate. Because the betterment of the original is 2012.
How
Because he gets one chance for the betterment. Now, whether it's under the council or in the SOS,
He get one chance.
But under council, only one chance is given, my lordship. Since because under council, two chances is not given, my lordship, the state allowed us to sit in the open schooling. They allowed that because in under council, no betterment chance, only one time available, my lordship.
By which notification did they allow you to see?
My lordship, it is that notification, this under council, my lordship, only betterment chance, only one time, my lordship.
Correct.
This is this is national council.
And I said, okay.
So that is why on that marks will have to be utilized by you if it's a betterment marks. If it is not a betterment marks, you have no chance. Now, why do you bring the open school certificate now
My lordship.
after 10 years?
My lordship, after 10, because I was allowed, I appeared in the betterment examination in the 2012, my lordship. So it's because the state has given me an opportunity to get marks, my lordship, and appear. Because if no opportunity was given, I would have sit, my lordship. They allowed the opportunity that those students who didn't score much marks, my lordship, they can sit and get the marks to become eligible for the appointment, my lordship.
I don't know. This all seems.
Because it is the NIOS scheme, my lordship. Under that scheme, the state has allowed, my lordship. And it is very much clear when subjects both marks with the origin and how, my lordship, they came to the conclusion that I got these marks, my lordship, in the affidavit in opposition. If I have not uploaded all the mark sheet, my lordship, how they got I got 5 out of marks obtained 233.
Where
and
page
82
number?
and
Page number?
Page 36.
Page 36, my lordship.
Hmm.
They are saying that I have not uploaded my original mark sheet. So how they got, they arrived at that conclusion, my lordship?
No, they have, it is not that, the second, he has not uploaded the betterment certificate. He has uploaded the betterment certificate, not the original marks. So the betterment marks has been taken into consideration, 2012. And based on that, the 233 fellowships at page 37.
The petitioner has tried to mislead the court by stating that he has submitted or uploaded the original mark sheet under the council, which he has annexed in Annexure 2, since the same has not been submitted by him along with his online application.
Yes.
Apart from that, petitioner has uploaded 2 sets of mark sheet and certificate issued by 2 different authorities, council and the open school. Therefore, it is clear the petitioner has submitted the betterment certificate and betterment mark sheet, which he did under the council, but he did not upload the original HSLC mark sheet, as he has stated the writ so and so. Has done as well as betterment from AHEC and senior secondary examination. It is also revealed that certificate of the mark sheet annexed with the petition therefore, as per the notification dated 28/2/23, the same notification which you're relying upon, they're saying that this is not applicable to you. And you're saying it's applicable to me. The betterment mark sheet of petition under the council has been taken into consideration, and that is the first betterment petitioner did in 2012.
If pilot turns to page 25, his application. This is his application. Down below, if you will see, it is as a 12th certificate he uploaded 2012 and Central TET 2021.
DLED 2019. And what about 22?
That's also not there.
NOIS? NIOS?
He declared himself to be a 2012 candidate of higher secondary.
But where's the open school university thing, in open school certificate?
Open school certificate. Page 17, my lord.
No, page 25
Yes,
is
page 25, that-
this is the uploaded
Yes,
form.
yes, my lord.
Where have you uploaded your mark sheet of in iOS? You come to page 26.
Yes, my lord.
You mention details of uploaded documents, HSLC admit uploaded, HSS mark sheet uploaded, HSS certificate is uploaded,
TET mark sheet is uploaded.
then
TET
TET
certificate is
certificate.
uploaded.
But where's this? Where's the NOIS?
But they are saying that only mark sheet of first mark sheet I have not uploaded. But first mark sheet, my lordship, no marks has been added from there, my lordship. Because later on, all the subject I appeared, my lordship. 2011 mark sheet I have not uploaded. That's their contention, my lordship. Respondent constitution.
Anyway, we'll come back after lunch. Okay, let's see. Yes, what they?
Item number, my lord, 52, the next item, my lord. He's also appearing, my lord, and I'm also appearing from the fund, my lord. My lord, this matter will take some hearing, my lord. And my lord, matter may be fixed on some other date, my lord. Otherwise, pleadings are complete, my lord.
All right. That's
Item-
paid for by the parties. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again on court.
Item up,
21.
21.
22.
Deeply approved.
21. 21.
My lord, it is the admission procedure, my lordship. Typically, my lordship, paragraph 4 of the affidavit in reply, my lordship. I'm relying on my submission, which I have made in paragraph 4 of the affidavit in reply. My lordship.
Page number?
Para 4, my lordship, page 54-2, my lordship, 42.
Read.
That in regard to the statement made in paragraph 3 of the affidavit in opposition, the deponent begs to state that a plain reading of the order dated 28/2/2023 makes it apparent that a large number of candidates had applied with betterment oblique improvement mark sheet at the higher secondary level under Assam State Open School. It is specifically stated in paragraph 5 of the aforesaid order dated 28/2/2023 that the best of the marks from both the mark sheets, that is original HSLC and that of the betterment / improvement marks SOS, will be considered, but that it will be only in case of the subjects that are same with that of the original mark sheet of the candidate. Therefore, it has been specifically stated that betterment oblique improvement marks under SOS will be considered if the subjects were same with that of the original mark sheet. As per the aforesaid order dated 28/2/2023, marks secured under betterment / improvement scheme under SOS has been allowed to be considered by observing that Assam Higher Secondary Education Council allows
Council
only-
spelling is wrong.
The Assam Higher Secondary Education Council.
Council spelling is wrong.
Oh, sorry, my lordship. CONCL, which was
Yes, then
council allows only one opportunity under betterment scheme to regular learner. Therefore, the mark sheet of the deponent dated 14/6/2022, which was issued by the NIOS under improvement scheme, is entitled to be considered as per the aforesaid order dated 28/2/2023. It is pertinent to state here that while making online application, the deponent had uploaded all his mark sheet, which includes his one HSLC mark sheet dated 4/6/2012 under betterment scheme of AHSEC board and another senior secondary school examination mark sheet dated 14/6/2022 under NIOS. And during verification of his documents, he produced all his mark sheet and certificates.
While making online application, the deponent did not upload his original SSLC mark sheet of 2011 under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, as he appeared for betterment in all the subjects under betterment scheme in the subsequent year of 2012. So this is my lordship, this is my submission.
That is what is indicated page 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Examination 12th,
Yes, ma'am.
roll number so and so, year of passing 2012.
Yes, because in 2012 I appeared in all the subjects, my lordship.
2012.
Yes, my lordship.
Then the next is
Next is
central TET,
2022, my lordship.
DLT. But 22 you have not indicated.
There is NIUS marks, my lordship.
Yes, you come to page 25, bottom of the page. You have not indicated about NIOS. Admit card, mark sheet and certificate.
Yes, it is not disputed, my lordship. I have submitted, my lord. They are only saying past mark sheet I have not uploaded.
No, not disputed. That is not the thing. Whatever is you have uploaded, you have stated, it is given in page 25.
Yes.
What you have uploaded is 12 marks, 12 standard marks, examination result of the year 2012. Then TET examination or TET certificate of 2021. Then DLT of 2019. Only these three documents. Where is that NIOS or NYS? What is that? It is not there.
They have stated, my lordship.
Whose document is this? This is downloaded from the website.
Yes, my lord.
This is your document.
Yes, my lord.
You have annexed to the writ petition.
Yes, ma'am. And in verification, my lordship,
Show me in this document where you have uploaded that NIOS. You may make sort of statements that has to be supported by the document. Or
examination 12, my lordship, all mark sheet, my lordship, it is percentage 77.8, it is written, my lordship.
when did you go?
24.
When did you sit for the examination under NOS?
In 2022, my lord.
22. So where is this? It is not mentioned anywhere. Yet you say you have uploaded it. Or is it that you uploaded without mentioning it?
Yes, maybe like that, my lordship. Without mentioning, maybe uploaded, my lordship.
So seeing is believing. We have not seen anything. So how do we believe?
Percentage written 77.8.
75.8.
77 marks obtained 382 and total marks 500.
How much marks obtained?
Here in the
285 or 385.
283, it is 83.
It's so
marks 500.
it's difficult to read. It's not legible. Mr. Kaushik, can you read?
289, my lord. Page 24.
289.
Uh,
Page 24.
Lord, 389. Marks obtained 389.
389.
And
Okay, let us see your NIS. NIOS.
And I
Page 17.
page 17.
It's 326.
Yeah, my lord, said that
But against that 12 certificate 2012, my lord,
389 includes
Board University, your lordship will find page 25, AHSEC.
here,
Where? Page 16.
Page 25.
Page 25.
Page 25 against that 2012,
Hmm.
the column Board and University, AHSEC, Assam.
Correct. So what is the marks obtained?
Marks, it is
389.
389 include
285, I guess. Seems to be 285, not so legible.
How do you say 285? Okay, 285. Correct. 285. So we are all doing guesswork.
but it's
We don't know what is what.
Yes.
here
It looks like 389 also, it
fact,
looks
my
like
lord,
285 also.
In fact, from the reply, my lord, your lordship will find.
No, one thing is legible, percentage is 77.08.
Yeah, yes.
So what would be the percentage? I mean, what would be the marks then? If percentage is 77.8,
77.
we are only concerned with page 16 and 17. Mr. Kaushik, you calculate.
Para 3, my lord.
77 also, how it has arrived upon, my lord, this percentage, I don't know.
Sir, my lord, from the NIUS marks and the MIL marks, my lordship. Because I have appeared all the in the NIUS, my lordship.
You have not appeared in the MIL.
MIL, my lord. MIL marks from earlier, my lordship. That is the second
MIL you
lordship.
take from here, other marks you take from
Yes,
here.
my lordship.
In fact,
I have given a notification
your
here,
lordship
my
will
lordship.
kindly
It is
find
possible,
below.
my lordship. Admission procedure, my lordship, which
My
I have
submit-
given, my lordship.
my submission as to that the NIOS, the certificate, my lord, it cannot be constituted to be a betterment certificate, my lord. In fact, from the reply itself, my lord, it is very clear. He has himself said that it is pertinent to state here that while making online application, deponent had uploaded all his relevant mark sheet, which includes his one HSLC mark sheet of 2012 under the betterment scheme. The betterment scheme ends here, my lord, because under the HSCC, it is only once within the 5 years he can have a betterment.
My lord, this is
And another senior secondary examination, my lord.
That is why I don't think that's denied. You see,
Yes.
Mr. Kaushik, what he's saying is that under the council, he can only have one chance.
Yes.
But now they have opened one more opportunity under the NIOS. So availing that opportunity, I have set for the exam
Well,
and I've got better marks.
that's
Now, as per this particular order, that NIOS can be counted.
transfer of credits, my lordship. 612 I have, which I have.
NIOS can be counted. So if that is so, why did they not count it?
No,
They have not counted it. That's why I'm before
the
this court.
clarification by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, the bunch, my lord, which I have placed it today, that letter of 14/3/2023. First paragraph, my lord, will kindly see.
This is not an annexure to the writ petition
No,
or to the
that's not.
counter affidavit. First paragraph.
First paragraph, with reference to the subject above, subject cited above. This is, my lord, prior to the order that was passed by the school education, my lord. A clarification was sought from the Higher Secondary Council. This is prior to that order, my lord. That is 28 February 2023.
Prior, how can it be prior? This is March.
Sorry, subsequent to this 28 February, a clarification was sought by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council.
Clarification of the clarification.
No, that after that order to ascertain, my lord, whether
Order has clarified something.
Sorry,
Order has clarified something.
my lord.
To clarify that that something, again, one more clarification.
No, my lord. Here, my lord, the order refers to a notification of 14/3/2022.
Reference your letter number 2323. What is 23?
2/3/2023 is a
You
letter
don't
by
have
the
that.
director.
Huh?
Is a letter by the director.
You don't have that.
Yes.
Anyway, read the first paragraph. Let's
Yes,
see what
first
you want to say.
paragraph. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that as per the guidelines of ASOS, my lord, it is Assam State Open Schooling course curriculum, a regular admitted learner in ASOS course curriculum may opt for appearing in the betterment improvement just after passing the HSLC examination conducted by the AOSS under the AHSEC only once within the stipulated period of 5 years from the date of taking admission. So within 5 years, it is either the ASOS or the Higher Secondary Council. Because the State Open School, Assam State Open Schooling, that is under the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. Now the first qualifying exam is from the Higher Secondary Education Council. So he'll have to have the betterment under that same examination, same council. So it is a betterment of the original one. Well, if I understand correctly, when it says a betterment, so it is betterment of the original examination. So this original examination is conducted by the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So he opted for a betterment under that same council. Now, second examination under 2022, whether it would be a betterment examination, because that certificate says, my lord, it's a senior secondary education, the page page 17, my lord will kindly see just in the top, my lord will see
No.
National Institute Open Schooling.
See,
Examination is National Senior Secondary School Examination, October 2023.
see the second last paragraph of the order. Second page of the compilation he gave me,
Yes, yes. That is page 39.
which is also annexed in the writ
In the
petition
affidavit,
as
in the
page
affidavit.
39.
Yes, page 39.
How do you interpret this second last paragraph?
Last paragraph, considering all
There cannot be two meanings. It has to be only one meaning.
one meaning. It says original HSLC and that of the betterment improvement under the SOS.
Hmm. So
betterment improvement under the SOS. My lord, perhaps your lordship is putting the question because of this betterment improvement under the SOS. Now, this letter, my lord, clarifies that if it is under the betterment is opted under the ASOS, here it has been said state schooling, state open schooling. Now it is whether Assam State Open Schooling or NIOS.
So full of questions, full of doubts everywhere.
Because Assam State Open Schooling is under the AHSE. Because AHSE is the one who has actually conducted the main examination. So if one wants to get a betterment, improvement under the main examination, he'll have to go by the same council.
So under the council, do you have this SOS then?
Yes, that's what.
What is that? What is the full name, SOS?
Assam State Open Schooling under AHSCC.
And who has issued this certificate?
This certificate,
of the petitioner? AIOS.
NIOS.
NIOS. It is not one and the same thing.
No, it is not. It's a different different body who is conducting an examination. And this certificate, my lord, nowhere says it's an improvement or betterment certificate.
Where is the certificate? Page
17.
17.
When I took.
And what about the 2012?
2012, my lord, is Assam
betterment
Secondary
chance.
Education Council.
It says betterment chance.
It's a betterment chance.
And page 16 is not a betterment.
Page 16 is betterment, 15 is original, and 17 is the NIOS.
NIOS. This is not a betterment.
It's not a betterment.
It's a fresh
It's
examination.
a fresh examination.
Can one candidate sit for fresh examination again? Supposing you fail, then you can sit. But supposing you pass, you want to pass again once more.
After this certificate, my lordship, my certificate of DLED has been given to me. Because to sit in the DLED, my lordship, I need 50% marks. But I was allowed to sit in the DLED. Like me, lots of students were allowed. And a condition was there to get the certificate of DLED, you have to clear, you have to get betterment marks. Then I was allowed to sit in the in that exam, my lordship. Because if this goes, my lordship, then my DLED exam also will go. Certificate will also
Your
become
DLED certificate is based on what?
this certificate, my lordship. This National Institute of this last certificate.
Is it so?
Because to sit in the DLED exam, my lordship, I need more than 50% marks. So only they allowed me to sit in the DLED examination. The rider that I should improve my marks, my lordship. And then I was allowed to improve my marks. You see, issue date is, my lordship.
No, see, your NIOS certificate is of 2012, 22.
Yes, my lordship.
And the
DLED is 2019.
Yes, my lordship.
You have already got DLED.
But to get the certificate, my lordship, I was. It is necessary that I should improve my marks, my lordship. Otherwise, it won't be valid, my lordship.
Certificate is.
So
below 50%, I was even.
You can give your certificate only after you get through, after you pass, isn't it?
Yes, my lordship.
Before passing it, you cannot get certificate. First, you have to pass, then you'll get certificate. DLED.
We can sit in the DLED, my lordship.
And DLED was given to you in 2019.
18/9/2019.
And yet you pass your NIOS or you get the improvement in 2022.
14/6/2022.
How can that be, Mr. Counsel?
Because, my lordship, without below 50% marks, my lordship, if someone gets below 50% marks, then DLED, my lordship, this certificate is not, it does not have any value, my lordship.
Is this a new stand?
No, my lordship, it
Where
is
is
a
your-
fact, my lordship, my lordship.
Where is your, it's a fact, is a different thing. Whether it's a fact or not, we're not disputing that. I'm saying that whether this is your stand anywhere. That in order to get my DLED, I had to sit for that NIOS.
Well, DLED examination, it is 50, to get the, when a student doesn't have more than
Mr.
50%.
Counsel, I understand. You don't have to repeat again and again.
Well,
I understood. But the thing is that your certificate of DLED is 2019. Your improvement or so-called fresh examinations of the year 2022. Even before you completed your fresh examination or the improvement, they already gave you a certificate in 2019. So your stand saying that I have to get a better improvement marks, only they will give me certificate. That doesn't stand.
And the TET certificate, my lord, the TET eligibility certificate is also of 2021. Page 19. That is also prior to.
So they kept your certificate hanging like that with them. You go and get your you get your improvement marks, then only we'll issue the certificate. So they waited for 2-3 years. On 2022, somehow you completed that improvement or what NIOS, you went to the office and they gave you a certificate of 2019. Is it possible? It is not even your case. Don't divert attention here and there, you see, just stick to the point. Only question now is whether the second last paragraph of order dated 28 February 2023 can be interpreted this way or that way. And Mr. Kaushik also has to demonstrate that this SOS doesn't mean NIOS. This is separate altogether, separate entity under the council. And maybe he has a point also, because it speaks about betterment oblique improvement. Your NIOS doesn't speak about anything. It's simply a fresh certificate giving you this much marks.
Perhaps this may make it clear, my lordship.
What is that?
My lord, dual enrollment and part credit of the scheme, my lordship, I have given admission procedure, my lordship.
You have already given me this.
Yes, my lordship.
You want to give me two
enrollment and
you want to give me 2 copies?
Yes, my lord.
One copy is enough.
Yes,
I can read 1 copy. Two copies not required.
Yes, my lord. There, my lordship, the scheme may throw some light, my lordship, because there is dual enrollment and part credit may be seen, my lord.
Your employment you are seeking is under the Department of School Education.
Yes, my lord.
And they are concerned with this council.
They are saying that
NIOS may give you many things, but if the department or the government doesn't recognize, then
but they have recognized, my lordship. They have not said that they have not recognized. State open schooling, my lordship, there are lots of open schooling is there under the state, my lordship.
NIOS, is it a state open schooling? Show me, demonstrate. SOS is equal to NIOS. This is not state, this is national.
Under the Government of India.
Yeah, Government of India. Autonomous Institute under the Ministry of Education,
Yes,
Government of India.
Government of
SOS is under the state. You don't have this letter, do you? 14/3/2022. Mention at page 39.
Notification. Notification.
Yes, Directorate of the Assam Higher Secondary Council has published one notification dated 14/3/22, wherein write point number F and G, so and so like that. You give me that, let us see that notification.
I'll get
produce. When can we have it? And one more thing is also, what is that? What is it? This will not be kept as part hut. There's no point, isn't it? There's a notification which says that if it's kept part hut for more than 1 month, automatically released.
Yeah.
Next week, these benches are not available. I don't know when this bench will be available. There's one point which I marked. Where is it? Oh. Yes, this is compilation you gave me.
Yes, sir.
The third page.
Yes.
The letter mentioned in the reference.
2/3/2023.
Yes, you produced this also.
Yes. I'll get both this, my lord. 2/3/2023 and the notification of 14/3/2020. 14/3/2023 is in the second page.
Please write the issue involved in the instant case is as to whether the marks obtained by the petitioner under the National Institute of Open Schooling can be considered as a betterment public improvement marks entitling consideration of the same for being appointed as a, what is this?
Assistant teacher, LP school.
Assistant teacher of LP school. In terms of the advertisement,
Dated 11/02/2023.
dated 11/02/2023. Where is that annexure? That
Page 20. Which one, my lord?
advertisement?
Advertisement page 20.
Bracket annexure 3. Stop. Further, whether the marks obtained from the National, what is that?
National Institute of Open School.
Institute of Open School
Page 17.
can be considered as one of such institute as mentioned in the second last paragraph of the order dated 28/2/2023. Bracket annexure capital A of the affidavit of opposition filed by respondent number 2. Next para, in order to throw more light on the issue, Mr. B. Kaushik, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education, shall produce the following column dash. Small Roman 1 within bracket. Notification under memo number AHSEC/SOS/capital A small d small m /online/2020/70/8137 dated 14/3/2022, appearing in third paragraph of the order dated 28/2/2023, bracket annexure A of the affidavit in opposition of respondent number 2. And then next Roman 2 small bracket. This letter will be from whom?
From the Director of Elementary Education. It says your letter office letter number. So.
But what would be the memo number?
Memo number is this, Melon, E255. It's a e-filing number. Now it's a now the e-official records are all E.
It is.
That's all right. No, that's all right. But it should have mentioned at least, like the like AHSEC was there earlier.
That's probably Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. They have not.
Council, okay. This is a directorate.
Council, directorate.
But at least it should mention.
In the first page of that bunch, Melod will see same Melod memo number. For the state government, Melod, they have adopted this e-office. So memo numbers all started.
Anyway, you are clear about it, so it's okay.
Yes.
Number 2, office letter under memo number capital E stop 255733/22 dated 02/03/2023. Which appears to have been issued by the Director of Elementary Education, Government of Assam. Next para, the aforesaid documents be produced by the next date. List again on website.
Well, in the first issue, can it be like this, Melod? The betterment examination of the original HS examination, 2012, 2011. In the first issue, Lordship has formulated that can it be construed as a betterment improvement examination of the original, Melod? If not, just suggesting. Because it's a betterment improvement of the original examination.
Then the issue to be decided, I said, na?
Yes, yes.
How you mention it? You give a number? No, no number. Then add one more. Another issue to be considered is as to whether the marks obtained under the NIOS can be considered as the betterment marks of the first examination undertaken by the petitioner in the higher secondary school level in the year 2011. Anyway, this is only to assist.
Yes, yes.
Whoever takes the bench so that they can know what is what.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I think, Melod, that's the core issue, Melod.
It's interesting, but a lot of debatable, isn't it?
Yes.
That second last paragraph, actually, how to interpret that? SOS.
Maybe this admission procedure will give some light, Lordship, because here it is written that the transfer of credit and dual enrollment and part credit, my Lordship. So this may throw some light because all the subjects I am not required to appear in the NIOS. And when they allow
me to specific subjects to be.
Individually, this is your case, but generally there will be other matters also which will be governed depending upon the decision of this, isn't it? Because I think people have been utilizing this betterment marks, like you said, like supposing in the subjects which they have not actually done in the first part. Second time they said, I'll give betterment exam in some other subjects. So in order to prevent that, government also has issued some direction.
And if it doesn't hold, my lordship, even my DLED certificate also will become, my lordship, DLED.
But that you have not pleaded, na? That is because of my NOIs that I have got my DLED also. That you have not said anywhere. That is,
Ultimately, to get the DLED certificate, above 50% mark should be there. So they allowed me to sit in the DLED, but only that if you get above 50% marks, then only DLED will be considered, my lordship.
so when did you get 50 marks, 50%?
In this NIS marks, my lordship.
Which year?
My lord, 20 certificate has been issued in 2020.
Then your DLED certificate should have been the year 2022 then. Why they giving in 2019?
That would not be, my lord, because his examination is also 22.
They're giving you that certificate retrospective from 2019. How is that possible?
Assumably, my lord, that the certificate is 22, but the examination is also 22. So he passing DLED in 2019, had it been a condition, my lord, that you will have to get it 50% only, then the DLED certificate will be issued. That's
So,
not the, my lord. Certificate is issued
He undertook the DLED course in 2019.
19 and certificate
And
is
they were
issued.
waiting for you to pass that examination. In 2022, you are able to pass. Now you go back to the office and say, now I have passed, give me the certificate in the year 2022. And they give you a certificate of 2019. Because you got 50% marks in 2022. Is it possible?
He is a DLED pass in 2019.
Anyway, we'll deal with this as and when the matter comes.
Grateful, my lord.
Highly appreciated.